Sometimes you're going to want to print things on one line, but there are other times you're going to want to print things on multiple lines, and you're going to tell Python how to do that. I'm going to come up with a variable called multi-line quote, and then I'm going to say equal, and I want to have 3 single quotes. Rock and roll. Go to the next line. We'll never die. Single quote, single quote, single quote, and this is going to print things out on 2 lines. I could have also said multi-line quote equals double quote, double quote, double quote, rock and roll, next line, we'll never die, double quote, double quote, double quote, and this is how you print things on multiple lines.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need a query tool that makes joins easy? The Nexus has a join builder that turns the most complex joins into child's play. The Nexus Query Chameleon, making connections easy again. Visit coffingdw.com for more information.